In this tutorial, we'll explore the interface of Unreal Engine 5.7. The outliner displays all actors within a scene in a hierarchical tree view. You also have an option to search for an actor element in the level and create folders to group actor elements together. Using the outliner, you can select and modify actors. Left-clicking selects the actor. Right-clicking displays the same context menu brought up by right-clicking an actor in the viewport. You can use this to quickly modify an actor without having to navigate to that actor in the viewport. Left-clicking and dragging attaches the actor being dragged to another actor. Using the F key with an actor selected in the outliner focuses that actor in the viewport. Unreal Engine also allows you to customize the outliner. You can right-click any column header to bring up a context menu where you can select which columns to show or hide in the outliner by enabling or disabling the checkbox next to the column name. You can left-click and drag the edge of a column header to resize that column. The outliner will always scroll to an actor when you select that actor in the viewport. If you have an actor selected, the Details panel will show the settings and properties that affect the actor you selected. By default, it is located on the right side of the Unreal Editor window under the Outliner panel. Once you select an object in the level, it will be highlighted. This object is also highlighted in the Outliner panel automatically. Selecting an object through the level viewport or the Outliner panel highlights it the same way. The Details panel shows the components and properties of the object. You can modify the properties of an object through the Details panel. You can filter the actor's properties to view and change by selecting a specific component at the top of the Details panel. You can also lock the current selection in the Details panel. This permits you to highlight other objects while keeping the Details panel locked on the first object. The Content Browser is a file explorer for your project where you can organize all the assets. It's located in the bottom left corner of the Unreal Editor. This is where you can open a special instance of the Content Browser that automatically minimizes when it loses focus. You can also use a combination of the Control key and space bar to open the content drawer. To keep it open, click the Dock and Layout button in the top right corner of the content drawer. This will create a new instance of the content browser, but you're also able to still open a new content drawer. The bottom toolbar contains shortcuts and settings to various elements of Unreal Editor. Depending on the editor you're in, some of these options might not be available. The content drawer temporarily opens a content browser window, which gets dismissed as it loses focus. There's an output log drawer and command prompt. You're able to open the output log and enter console commands, including changing between executing Unreal commands and Python scripts. Tracing will save a snapshot of the current trace buffer and change the trace settings. The stall log opens the stall log. The Zen service supports local shared or cloud storage. Revision control allows you to view changes, submit content, or check out modified files. You've now started your journey into using Unreal Engine 5.7 with these interface tips. I hope you find them useful and continue to learn more about UE5. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.